everyone, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're wondering how can you get a job, how can you use the law of attraction to get a job, or what ritual is out there to help you get a job, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to give you a simple ritual that you can do probably today to help manifest yourself in getting a new job. Now listen, watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I always give you some extra tips to help you along your way. So before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel that gives life-changing information. So if you want more videos like this, don't forget to support us, join the family by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. For now, I'm going to give you a simple ritual to get that job. Now let's get started. I'm back. Now, what are we going to do to get that job, and what is it that you're going to need? These are things that you probably have in your house right now or can get it within the next 30 minutes. What I need you to have is some rice. I need you to get some rice. Not a lot, just a little. You don't need this much. I need you to get 3 bay leaves, okay? 3 whole bay leaves. Something to write with. Okay, anything, pencil, pen, marker. Because we're using bay leaves, make sure you get a marker or a Sharpie, okay? You need some type of sachet bag because this is a job. We want to stick with either green or red. So if you don't have these colors and you have something white, you can use that, okay? And I need you to have a green candle, okay? If you go out and buy candles, I'm going to tell you to possibly get 3 if you can, okay? If you're going to buy it. If you only have one or you have one that's a little bigger than this, that is okay also. The last thing you're going to need is something sharp like a knife to write on the candle, and you're going to need some salt, okay? I'm using fine sea salt, okay? So you can use sea salt, regular salt, Himalayan salt, whatever you want to use, okay? So that's all you need right now. Anything else that I'm speaking about is an add-on. I do speak about incense, and if possible, maybe a prosperity bath or a cleansing bath, whatever you want to do. So now let's get to what we're going to do with this. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, you will need a plate, something to do this on, you guys, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write on the candle your name. Now you need something sharp to write on. So I'm just going to use this that I have here, and I'm going to write my name. You're going to carve it into the candle, and you're going to write from the wick down. So you're going to write your name. You can write your date of birth, whatever you want to write on here that indicates who you are, okay? You can even write on here perfect job, whatever, but I do want your name. That is most important. After that, you can write your date of birth, the type of job you want, whatever, but the name must be on here. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to place it on the plate, okay? Just like that. Now, what I usually do, I usually burn the bottom so that it stays in place, okay? So you're not going to sit there for a while. You're just going to put it over a flame very lightly and then place it there, and it will stick and it will not move. So what you're going to do, you're going to surround the candle with salt. Why? The salt is going to protect whatever it is you're trying to do. We have a green candle here with your name on it for employment. And we're going to surround it to keep the energy clear in this whole thing that we're doing. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to place rice around the candle. Again, rice is a symbol of abundance, also fertility. And what we're trying to do, we're trying to give birth to a new career, a new job. The next thing you're going to do, we have 3 bay leaves here. And you're going to write what you want on the bay leaf. Okay, your name, and you might write on the back perfect job. Or you might just write perfect job. So I'm asking you to use a marker. And you're going to write perfect job on all three of these. Now, what you're going to do with this, you can place this around the candle, okay? And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to light the candle. Now, while you're doing this, you can absolutely state, thank you, God, the universe, for bringing you the perfect job. That is just how simple it is. The main thing is you really want to focus on what it is you're trying to bring in your life, and that is a job. Again, the bay leaves are a powerful money abundance attractor. And by you writing on the bay leaves while you're thinking about whatever it is that you want, you're going to bring in that power. Now, one thing I can say that I told you guys to get some extra candles. If you want to, after this burns down, you can repeat this for 3 nights. Once this burned down, place another one there, let that burn down, place another one there, and let that burn down. Again, you can do this for 3 days. Now, what else can you do? You can absolutely, before you do this, take a prosperity bath or a cleansing bath. Why I say that? Because you need to cleanse away whatever's holding you back from getting that job. So you can sage your home, sage yourself, take a sea salt bath, whatever it is. But I do need you to get that negative energy away from you. The next thing I can recommend, if you're looking for a job, Archangel Michael is a great archangel to speak to when you're seeking a career, a job. Because my Archangel Michael is in charge of life purpose, okay, and protection. So Archangel Michael will be a great incense that you can burn while you're doing this. Now, what is the best day to do this? I would say on Thursday, the day of Jupiter, for bringing in abundance, okay? So that's a Thursday. If you need something done right away, by golly, go ahead and do it. Now, the next time that I would tell you will be the best time to do this is right after the new moon, going into the waxing moon. So when we have the new moon, and it's now in the 3rd day, and it's in the waxing moon where the moon gets larger, you are absolutely doing this for 3 days as the moon grows. As anything it is that you want to grow will grow. So we have a new moon, a waxing moon, that's every single month. It should be around the 2nd week of the ending of the 1st into the 2nd week of every month. And you can do this. And again, do it for 3 days and allow it to grow. You only need to do the cleansing bath and burn the incense once. But if you want to, you can burn 1 incense every night while you're doing this. And again, I need you to set the intent that you already have it. You can talk to God, the universe, and say, thank you for blessing me with the perfect job. Now, what do you do when this is all over with? I want you then, you can absolutely take it and place it in a sachet bag of something to hold it. Again, green or red. Green is for abundance, for money, for abundance, which represents also a new job. Red is for passion, okay? That fire to get out there and get whatever it is that you want. If you don't have any of these, by golly, use whatever you have. White is universal. Clear is universal, okay? So now, once this is all done, take whatever is left on the plate and place it in the sachet bag and carry it with you. That's all it is. And absolutely know that the universe has already blessed you with the perfect job. I'm telling you, you guys must do one more thing, and that is take action. Again, I don't tell you guys to do anything without taking action. If there's a particular job or career that you want, go look and see what's available. Put in applications and resumes. Go on whatever site you need to do, where you need to go to manifest that job. And the universe will work through you. It will give you something when you least expected it, when you thought that you weren't good enough, or you thought that this wasn't going to work for you. And all of a sudden, a miracle will open up and you will get offered the job or start your own business, whatever it is you're trying to do. One last thing that I can tell you that you can do. Once this is all over, you can absolutely take what you wrote on the bay leaves and burn it in a flame. And you can absolutely place the ashes in a sachet bag too. So you will have the salt, you will have the rice, and you can have whole bay leaves, or you can have the ashes from the burnt bay leaves as you are burning it and sending it out to the universe. Or you can have a mixture of both. So again, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want to support this channel, don't forget, join the family by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Anything you've seen in this video is in the description in the store. Please look in the description. You can have coaching from me, readings from me, or you can buy some of these supplies that you may want for your manifesting. Again, this is Eyvette, and namaste.